There is a good news for fans of Nokia. If you are waiting for a mid-budget smartphone of Nokia, then your waiting is going to end. Because Nokia is going to launch its most awaited smartphone. In this magnificent smartphone, you will get to see a 200 megapixel DSLR camera, with a powerful battery of 7500 mAh. Yes, we are talking about Nokia X300 5G smartphone. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the last. Because in today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia X300 5G. Display. This powerful smartphone of Nokia has a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which comes with 2K resolution, in which you will get 1080 into 2424 pixels resolution. With this, the phone will work at 144 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rates. Apart from this, you also got the support of IP68 ratings, in-display fingerprint sensors, and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus in this mobile. Camera setup. For photography, a triple rear camera will be given on the back panel of this Nokia smartphone, whose primary camera is 200 megapixels, with OIS support. Apart from this, 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and 8 megapixel periscope sensor will also be included. Other side, a 64 megapixel camera is available in this magnificent smartphone for selfie. Processor. This magnificent Nokia smartphone will be launched on MediaTek Dimensity 9400 octa-core processor, so that you will be able to do great gaming and multitasking in it. And as an operating system, Android 15 will be seen. Battery backup. Talk about the battery, then you have got a strong battery of 7500 mAh. Also with 85-watt fast wired charging, Type-C charging socket will be available. Price or launch date. According to the leaks, the base variant of the phone, 8GB RAM and 128GB memory, is expected to be around $350. Talk about the launch date, then according to leaks it will be introduced in a few months.